guys hearing something? Check the bathroom.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Here we go!
Huh? You want mate?
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Chaos MOX here, and today I'm going to make this a quick one and explain what's going on before the video starts. Today is the official 2021 Illinois and Missouri tornado drill. This tornado drill will go off for all of Missouri counties and all of Illinois counties. Now, Illinois counties will go off for the weekly test, but the Missouri counties will go off for a TOR. But this is a drill purpose, so let me show you my quick setup before we start. So this is Illinois. So basically, the EH55, including all my other radios over there, will be monitoring my main station KXI 79. Over here, the Zone Guard and the WR120B are going to be monitoring KXI 46 and WXJ 75 in ILX, which will be toning as a weekly test. Let's go over here real fast. Let me set my HH down real fast. We have over here the WR400 and the Sangean CL100 and the, I forgot the name of it, but these are monitoring KDO 89, St. Louis, Missouri, which will be going on for a TOR.
Water activation is not anticipated.
Just testing out the reception real fast before we go back.
AM Central Standard Time. This is Noah. Weather Radio KDO 89 St.
So yeah, and then we go over here, we have the Radio Shack 12-3A2, which is also going to go off for Channel 5.
Saturday through Sunday.
KXI 46 in Shelbyville. And way over here, in this room, is my Midland WR300 version 8.
West of today, sunny.
Also monitoring KDO 89 St. Louis. So that's a little brief, basically summary of what's going on before we start this video. I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get this party going.
During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. Today's test is being conducted for Severe Weather Preparedness Week. However, this test is normally conducted every Wednesday around 11 a.m. And of severe weather and to coincide with the testing of outdoor.
Oh, here we go. Tornado alert, come on. Wait, what? What? Why are you doing this weekly test, Missouri?
This is a test of the new weather radio alert system. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. Today's test is being conducted for Severe Weather Preparedness Week. However, this test is normally conducted every Wednesday around 11 a.m. To provide the most... We now return to regular programming. Thursday, sunny, high in the mid-50s. Northeast wind around 10 miles. You're listening to Noah. Thursday night, mostly clear. Low in the lower 30s. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you.
What? Now what? Oh, now you're doing it? What the fuck?
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued this is a test message. Tornado warnings for all counties in Missouri. This is a test message. Until 10:15 a.m. This is a test message. This test tornado warning is for the annual Missouri Severe Weather Drill. There is no severe weather occurring. Expected hazards include test tornado, source, test, radar, storm spotters or law enforcement. Impact, test. Tornadoes can destroy buildings, mobile homes, and roll vehicles. Flying debris is the biggest killer. This is a test message. Locations impacted include all communities in Missouri. This is a test tornado warning. There is no severe weather occurring. Take this time to review and practice your severe weather planning. Now is the time to prepare for severe weather. This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued this is a test message.
Wow.
Tornado warning for all counties in Missouri.
What the fuck?
This message is for test purposes only.
What?
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued this is a test message. Tornado warning for St. Charles County, Rawls County in northeastern Missouri, Jefferson County, Montgomery County, Callaway County, Pike County in northeastern Missouri, St. Francis County in southeastern Missouri, St. Louis City in east central Missouri, Audrain County, Reynolds County in southeastern Missouri, Lewis County in northeastern Missouri, Washington County, Monroe County in northeastern Missouri, Osage County, Crawford County, Knox County in northeastern Missouri, Boone County, Lincoln County, Shelby County in northeastern Missouri, Madison County in southeastern Missouri, Cole County, Iron County in southeastern Missouri, St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri, Marion County in northeastern Missouri, Franklin County, St. Louis County, Warren County, Montauk County, Gasconade County. This is a test message. Until 10:15 a.m. This is a test message. This test tornado warning is for the annual Missouri Severe Weather Drill. There is no severe weather occurring. Expected hazards include test tornado, source, test, radar, storm spotters or law enforcement. Impact, test. Tornadoes can destroy buildings, mobile homes, and roll vehicles. Flying debris is the biggest killer. This is a test message. Locations impacted include all communities in Missouri.
Shut up. Gotcha. Gotcha, Illinois.
This station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information.
Okay, I don't care.
This was a test.
Urban counties are Republican. Why not take the party designations away? I mean, let's face it, we're all going to know for a little while who the Republicans are and who the Democrats are. They're going to have other activities, back other statewide candidates in the party system.
Hi. KTRS, how are you doing today?
This is the required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System. This station serves the bi-state St. Louis operational area.